Today we'll unbox and set up the Engwe X24 electric bike. To begin, open the accessories box to reveal the pedals, battery charger, user manual, and all tools required for assembling the X24 e-bike. Now, detach the front wheel from the bike frame and set it aside. Attach the kickstand to help the bike stay upright. Grab the 5mm hex key that comes in the kit. Be sure to place the kickstand behind the frame support. Use a 4mm hex wrench to remove the 4 screws that secure the front attachment to the stem. Gently place the handlebar in a position that doesn't twist the cables. Install the front attachment as shown. Firmly tighten the 4 screws to secure the front attachment and handlebar in place. To connect the display cables, ensure that you align the arrows present on the connectors. Detach the temporary axle from the fork using the 15 wrench. To make the wheel installation easier, I removed the front brake. Remove the hub covers and mount the wheel to the front fork. Reinstall the front brake and tighten the 2 screws, ensuring that the wheel spins freely. Screw the bolts by hand and then tighten them with the 15mm wrench. To secure the headlamp, use the 5mm hex key and the 6mm wrench. Place the left pedal. Make sure to have the one marked with the letter L on it. Screw it counterclockwise onto the crank by hand. Then, tighten firmly using the 15mm wrench. The pedal, marked with the letter R, should be screwed on in a clockwise direction. Then, make sure to tighten it securely with the same wrench. Remove the battery from the bike and use the 8mm hex key to loosen the saddle bolt. Attach the saddle, secure the bolt, and place the battery in the frame. Tighten the saddle tightly once you've found the ideal position for it. Now, simply attach the battery to the bike system by connecting and securing the cable as shown. To install the taillight, first position it in place and then secure it with the 5mm wrench. Remove the single screw from the seat and slide it into the rear rack until it clicks. Tighten the screw under the seat using the screwdriver. Finally, for an enjoyable and safe ride, adjust the handlebar and display position. The Engwe X24 is now complete and ready to ride. Have a good time.